Guys, welcome to another tutorial. So what I'm about to teach you is just like a trick on how to get a perfect camera view on Lumion. So as you can see, all my objects and materials are already set. So let me rush to show you on how to get a perfect camera. So you go to the photo, which is the camera on Lumion. So I will want to click on this empty panel, which is the fifth photo. So the first thing I want to do, first of all, I want to get the side to like a 2 point perspective. So I will click on my right arrow on my keyboard, yeah, to move. Then I will hold my right click on my mouse. Then I will use my mouse cursor to zoom in and yeah, I'm holding on my right click mouse to move the camera to face the building. As you can see, this is my right click mouse. I'm moving it around, moving the mouse around, and then holding the right click mouse. Then one thing I want to do again is zoom out with my mouse cursor. You will notice something. If I zoom in, the building got to be tend to be in a funny shape. But if I zoom out, the building kind of balance. So one thing I want to add right now is my 2 point perspective on my effects. Coming to my add effects, then architectural, then 2 point perspective. So after adding this 2 point perspective, you will notice that all my vertical lines are all straight, are all straight, yeah. So I will zoom out. Then after only 2 point perspective, I will click on my set eye level to 1.6, which is the default 1.6. Then I will use my focal length. I will increase my focal length to zoom in. Okay, as you can see, I'll zoom in. Then I will hold on my right click on my mouse to position the camera properly. Then I think I will reduce the focal length. Okay, I think this is good. Then for me to add this particular fence, I will click on my left keyboard, my left arrow keyboard. Okay, okay. So one thing I want to do now is to reduce my eye level. Let me work with 1 point. Then I will hold on my right click on my mouse to position the camera properly in the perfect way I want. Okay, I think this is better. Then maybe let me increase the focal length a bit. No, this is too much. Okay, okay, I think this is better. So this is a way of setting 2 point perspective, and then I will immediately store the camera. So let me take a front view. Then I will add and I will click on this empty sixth photo. Then one thing I'm going to be clicking right now is my left arrow on my keyboard. Okay, okay. Then I will use my mouse, my right click mouse to move around. Okay, I think this is good. Let me click on the left arrow again. Okay, okay. So I'm using my right mouse to actually position the camera properly. Okay, so let me increase the focal length to come closer. Okay, so I think this is best. This is good. Let me on the 2 point perspective. Okay, okay, you can see now. Let me increase. Okay, okay. Then maybe I reduce the eye level to maybe. Then I use my right click on my mouse to position the camera properly again. Okay, then I store the camera. So if you notice the tricks we just played here is, let me go back, let me reduce, then let me set this. If you notice the trick I just played, summary of everything I just did is that I zoomed out with my mouse cursor, then set my 2 point perspective. Then what thing I did again was to set the eye level, then increase my focal length to zoom in. Then I use my right click on my mouse to position the camera properly. Then I also reduce the focal length. Then I reduce the eye level to around 1 meter. Then I use my right click mouse again to position the camera properly. That is just a simple step and tricks on how to get the perfect camera. After setting it in the way you want, you just store it. So if you enjoyed this video, please subscribe for more tips and tricks like this on ArchiCAD and Lumion, including Revit. Thank you.